Michael Goinga. He really wants New Zealand to look at democracy in the Pacific and see if they are fit to still be called democracy given what's happening in the Pacific. Kango mention my Fiki, Kango mention my Konga, mention my Foin Mere Wokupu ya Cook Islands, and the influence of China in the Pacific. And he said it is a concern. You know, it's a concern because without the rule of law, everything will be in chaos. For in my lola Fisili Asiaka. It is a song. You know, they are not fit to be leaders anymore. And that's why Yakiao, Samoan people really need to choose those, because in the next 10 years, if not less, China will be laughing to the bank. New Zealand and Australia will have nothing to do with Samoa. And then we will start having our lands taken by the government for the purpose of doing the government project, and slowly we'll hand over. Because how? And then once it's under the government, if it's China's project, guarantee their land, it's also going to go to China. They really need to look at themselves and tell themselves, am I going into politics to preserve our constitutions and preserve our democracy for the future generations, or am I going there to be recklessly disregard this is your time. This is our time to preserve and save our constitution.
Etatia umoma manatu. I fail over the vine or the to make favai, or let one for them motato, or le fast out the balota. Relative I do my last week, then I'm a for my over my limas full on to pull it, the percent or Samoa as in hold. Ya okay, look, walk was a buying a yoka almost wait a vine. I'm going or matuna to us or Camaro Pule Ike, said it. Oh, say, Lord, or me to one and a musway. It's not so much to the latest Kalanga or Kopaki. Then I lay Pui Kaka, I lay Pui Kula, phone over I fire Moma. I took the Silafia. I want my Engalako social swing. Or a majority of Kanaka Lima Wobo Poliska, 50%. Faster. They roll me at Tonuna. Tosa was a woman. Mokilgiro. Oh, if he saw my house. Lima si food or Lima Waka, my is coming of a Baroko Maya. Ask Lolo. Ele ropo desi dua kasenga ofafo walanga mana jofo ofafo ia na tilo tua tama foi le ngale le kwa valele le skala paloka alo ya ole nala woto e famana tuatu ole amato me ese male tato mta upule ile family no ino le timo palota na wono falisa tu ya ma famani no mai ele ese se ongu ele ese fama se fia tau te alu lava e alo ia ma paul fa vai ton wa le sisi vai na tu